Dear student, myself Ajay Gupta and welcome you in our chemistry classes. Today we will study about the state of matter, the classification of matter based on some these things. First, on the basis of particles arrangement, that means arrangement of particles. Second, energy of particles. And third, based upon distance between particles, that's called intermolecular space. So on the basis of particles divided in 5 types: plasma, solid, liquid, gas and Bose-Einstein condensations. ठीक है? So, but in your syllabus, you will study only solid, liquid and gas. So now I'm comparing to solid, liquid and gas. By this you can define the solid, liquid and gas. First, the shape of solid. The shape of solid is fixed, shape of liquid not fixed, and the shape of gas is not fixed. Volume. The volume of solid is fixed, volume of liquid always fixed, but the volume of gas is not fixed. Compressibility. Solid incompressible, as you know. This is not stretchable. Liquid, it is compressible, we can compress to it. Gas, it's a high compressible. Density. The solid have high density, but in liquid, in comparison to solid, they have less density. And gas, very less density, as you can say that they have negligible. Next, intermolecular space, the space between the particles of the matter. In the solid, the intermolecular space is very less. That means they have no intermolecular space, very less, or you can easily say negligible. Okay, but in liquid, their intermolecular space is less than more than solid. Intermolecular space more than solid. And in the gas, they have a high intermolecular space. That means the space between the particles are high. Next, intermolecular force, the force between the particles of the matter. In the solid, very high. Intermolecular force in the solid is very high. In liquid, less than solid. And in the gas, negligible. That means the force between their particles of gases is negligible. On this basis, you can define the solid, liquid and gas, and also you can easily determine the difference between them, difference between solid, liquid and gas. So I hope you have understood. Now this is your homework. Learn and write the definition of solid, liquid and gas. By the help of this difference, try to write the definition of solid, liquid and gas. And second homework, learn and write the difference between solid, liquid and gas. Thank you.